Hey there, Techno Weebs. Welcome to Tech Atlantean. Continuing our mini-series on chakras of the human body, we have the seventh chakra, Sahasrara, or the Crown Chakra. Located at the crown of the head, the Sahasrara chakra transcends all physical elements and symbolizes pure consciousness and divine connection. Associated with the divine nature, it represents sudden spiritual illumination and the merging of individual self with universal energy. This chakra is the gateway to the source of all creation. Each chakra has a corresponding Via mantra or seed sound that can be chanted to activate and balance it. For the Sahasrara or the Crown Chakra, it is Om, Ah, Ang. This chakra transcends sound, so sitting in stillness or meditating by chanting is a powerful way to connect. Yoga positions associated with Sahasrara chakra are headstand or Salamba Shirshasana, Shavasana or corpse pose, Padmasana or lotus pose. These meditative poses calm the nervous system and help you connect with universal consciousness, pure awareness, and the feeling of being one with everything. Balancing this chakra leads to spiritual connection, bliss, and a deep sense of inner peace and purpose.
With this we come to an end to this mini-series. All these chakras are linked to what we call Kundalini Shakti, but that's for another time. Follow Tech Atlantean to stay updated with awesome content. Bye!